Right, hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're just doing another little tiny stopover at the moment down in Tunbridge, and so I'll do a little tiny review on where we're staying. This is a pub behind us called the Spotted Dog, which is a free stopover if you're popping in for a pint and something to eat. It's down here in Tunbridge in Kent, and the local town is Penshurst, isn't it?
Penshurst.
Penshurst, I can't pronounce it properly. And so yeah, it's a nice area. It's very much right in smack in the countryside side of it, and we'll show you a little bit around. If you go to my website, which I'll link below, it has lots of links of stuff you can do around here. There's a nice little country walk which we're going to hopefully find if we've got enough time. There's also not far from here the main town, Penshurst, which has got a nice cycle route. There's a walking route through there, and you've got the country house there. There's a market there, which is the first Saturday of every month. There's a farmer's market. Yeah, so there's quite a few things to do around here. So we'll show you around a little bit where we are, and then we're going to pop in for a meal and a pint of beer, and then we'll let you know what it's like, because we're only here for one night, because I'm back to work on Sunday, so we've got a one-nighter away. So let's have a look, explore around. Right, so there's the pub there over on the left, which we're going to pop into at the moment in a minute. You can see lovely countryside. It's a big car park as well, and just over there where we're going to walk down is the public footpath, so we can have a look at that. And there, there's our nice new ager sitting in the car park. So this is the car park. You can see the van parks up behind us. And just show you around the size of this. Right, so we just popped up to see the gift shop and his little garden centre up there. We're not going to go into the gardens and stuff today because we're in a bit of a tight time today. Just showing you the lakes. there's nice walks and cycle routes from here, and I put one of the cycle routes and walks on my blog, which you can download to your smartphone. From the Spotted Dog, you can't actually walk here easily, but you could cycle it quite easily. So if you've got bikes in the back of the van, you could leave your van at Spotted Dog and cycle down to here, spend a day here, and then go back for a nice pub lunch and a pint of beer in the evening. Anyway, so that's it for this vlog. So hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We've got next weekend we're going to be going away again down in Kent to Monk's Cottage, which is just outside of Faversham. So we'll do a little review on that next weekend.